Okay guys, today we're gonna replace a battery on the Seat Alhambra 2016 model. It's still got the original battery since 2016, so yesterday basically decided not to start, so it's time to replace it, I think, because it's been 5 years. So it's my first time replacing this one, so I think I'm gonna go with clearing this space here, which means I have to remove the air filter box here, as well as this part here. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Little plastic rubber hold here, and I believe there's another one holding this one in place underneath the air filter box, so we don't need to open this whole thing up. What I'm gonna do is disconnect this pipe, disconnect this, which is just a clip-on sensor, disconnect this, which is the flow breather, like so. So the technique there, this one goes down, so you pull it up and then squeeze. Let's try and get this out the way here. I got this clip. Now I've got this vice grip, easy enough. And just loosen that free. So there, across there. Okay. Okay, so I just pulled off this one here. I was holding, it's a rubber. I was holding that. I don't know if you can see that there. Just pull it off. Yeah. Okay. Let's loosen that part. Should another one underneath here. Actually, there's another bolt here which I'm gonna remove. Looks like that's holding the main piece in there. So okay, managed to get it loose. Okay, so it gives us access to the battery now. Just to show you, I was holding that in place, the whole unit. So that screw that I said to loosen up, and then there's two rubber holders, well, holders here. So you just yank that out. See that? As neatly as possible, but you do need to use force with that. And that's the whole piece there. Okay, so now that gives us access to the whole battery. And again, be careful not to get anything in here, obviously. Cover that. I'm gonna cover that. Okay, I'm gonna try and slide this off. Slide this towards me. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, remove the battery clamp. So now I slide this a little bit towards us and expose this terminal. Hope you can see that. That terminal socket. Disconnect the neutral first. Okay. There you go. So that is off. Try not to be too hard